moving on. So a lot of you knew that, and a lot of you also knew this one. This is some sort of green gold or yellow green. I just thought it's kind of a must for autumn. I don't have currently green gold in my Italy palette because I switched it for olive green, which I'm really, really enjoying. Haha, I so contaminated this. Look, I'm gonna show you. Beware. Look what happened. Don't worry, it's really easy to clean. But yeah, you can see that you get this really beautiful pastel color. Now the bottom row is kind of my earthy, granulating and dark colors. The first one is my beloved. These are colors that I really discovered this year. Let's mix them all with white because I'm really enjoying that. So you can already see it's doing its thing. And with white, it's this just a perfect peach. It's so pretty. Not even peach, like I don't know, like a muted peach. I don't know. These are so lovely with white. It's unbelievable. Lunar Earth, did I say that? Okay, now we have Lunar Red Rock. And this color is actually, I mean, depending on the version that you have, but it's very, very similar to Potter's Pink. At least my Schmincke Potter's Pink is quite similar to this one. So let's add, this color is gorgeous. I mean, it's lovely on its own, but it's also really beautiful in pretty much any mixture. So with white we get this gorgeous muted earthy pink, like an opaque Potter's Pink, I would say. So beautiful. Let's move on. This one is, where's my cheat sheet? This one is, oh, I think we'll all recognize it. This is Daniel Smith Naphthamide Maroon, and this color with white, wait for it, you're going to love it. This is like the perfect muted pinky, like a muted berry color. So it has a little bit of, you know, like a dark purpley pink. Okay, and now we move to a beautiful color. This is, I don't even know if this is still made, but I had a large tube and I really wanted to use it. This is Purpurite Genuine by Daniel Smith. So you can see it's a muted purple with a really lovely granulation. And with white, it's this gorgeous kind of muted mauve color. Really, really pretty. This is Raw Violet Umber. And I'll show you a close-up of everything next, so don't worry about that. So this is, it's just a lovely, it's kind of similar, I would say it's quite similar to the Lunar Red Rock, funnily. This is with white. So again, this kind of muted mauve color, really, really gorgeous. These are like the colors that I love to wear. Makes me happy. And also use for makeup, like these muted pinky mauve colors. Love those. Okay, the next one. The next one is Magic in a Tube. And if there's one color that I recommend getting after watching this video, it's this one. This color is pure magic. So this is Daniel Smith Violet Hematite. If you have the burnt Scarlet Genuine Hematite, this is similar, but the burnt Scarlet is more warmer brown, and this one, I don't even know how to describe this. It has this separation with a dark granulation, and the base color is almost like a muted peach. I don't know. But there's also the magic that happens when you mix it with white. I'm going to show you this miracle. I don't even know, this is like, you know, some watercolor magic. The white kind of reacts with the color and it becomes really pinky, like a peachy pinky color. I think you can see it better on the palette. So this is where I mix them. So you can see it's really looks like this pinky peachy color. I don't know. This is what watercolors do. Okay, the last two are my neutral colors. I mean, this is also, again, the sun. The sun is messing with me. But the great thing about Lunar Black, you probably saw also Lindsay, the Frugal Crafter's video the other day where she made her own lunar colors. Now personally, I enjoy having lunar pink and lunar yellow in my palette because I use them a lot and they're great convenience colors. But if you don't want to, then I'll show you, which ones did I show you? A few mixes. So for example, these ones I made with, I think this is with the Opera Rose, and then this one with the White Knight's Quinacridone Red. So you can see the effects you can get. Let's do, let's try the Deep Scarlet with, try to show you also the palette. There's my Deep Scarlet. And I think you need a lot of black to get the effect. Maybe that was too much. Let's see what we have. I'm going to add a bit more from the Deep Scarlet. So you want to take something that is transparent and kind of bright and not granulating, and that will give you the more interesting result. Look, you can already see on the palette how the color separates the Lunar Black. It's beautiful. Let's try Aussie Red Gold. Let's see what we get with Lunar Black. Fun stuff. I could sit here and mix colors all day long. What I want to show you is, let's do some fun mixes with, let's do Aussie Red Gold, and what should I take? Let's do the Purpurite, this one. So that would be here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the first mix, you can see it neutralizes the bright orange. Then if we go on adding, we get into the brown. These are the colors that I really love. I think for me it'll be probably to tone down that purple with a little bit of the super bright Aussie Red Gold. So you get these fun, beautiful, muted colors. Now let's see what happens when we mix my beloved Violet Hematite with, what are we gonna mix it with? Let's try a little bit of ultramarine blue, because I suspect this will give us a really lovely gray. Yeah. So there's a ton of variation here. We have bright colors, we have the white that can make everything more pastel. we have neutral colors, we have some dark colors. I mean, ultramarine blue can go dark, lunar black can be dark, and then also the, what are you called? Maroon, the perline maroon and the naphthamide maroon can get really dark. And you really need that in a palette if you want to have interesting variation of value in your paintings. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon. Bye.